Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an incredible platform that offers cutting-edge AI tools to boost your content creation game. Whether you're looking to turn long YouTube videos into shorts or create AI-powered talking avatars to elevate your social media presence, this website has you covered. Let's dive in and explore how it works step by step. Step 1. Access the website. Start by opening your browser and searching for Topview.ai. The website should appear at the top of the search results. Click on it to begin exploring its features. This platform leverages GPT-4 and advanced AI avatar technology to provide exceptional tools. Step 2. Dashboard Overview. Once you're on the site, navigate to the dashboard. Here you'll find several options such as Projects Assets for uploading videos and photos. Among the popular tools available, you'll find Avatar Marketing Video, Long Video to Shorts Photo Talking Avatars, AI Voice Generator, Video Script Extractor. Let's take a closer look at how to use each of these tools. Tool 1. Avatar Marketing Video. Select the Avatar Marketing Video option. Choose an avatar for your branding or ad campaign from the available options. After selecting, explore various versions of the avatar and pick your favorite. Input your product link to generate a short promotional video. Supported platforms include Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and more. Upload assets if needed and customize details such as video length, for example 15 or 30 seconds, background color, for example black-white, language and AI voiceover avatar placement. Confirm your settings and the platform will generate multiple video versions. Download the one that best fits your need.
Did you know this drill combo kit packs 300 unit watts out? This baby has a 2-speed transmission up to 1500 RPM, guys. It's lightweight and fits into the tightest spots like a champ. Ergonomic handle means you can work longer without fatigue. A 3 LED light ring illuminates your workspace with zero shadows. Don't wait, grab your DeWalt drill combo kit today.
Tool 2. Long Video to Shorts. Choose the Long Video to Shorts tool. Paste the link to a long video, such as a YouTube URL. Click Extract and the platform will automatically create short clips with captions. Save time and repurpose these ready-to-use short clips for social media. Tool 3. Photo Talking Avatars. Select the Photo Talking Avatars tool. Upload a photo and provide a script or text for your avatar to speak. Choose an AI-generated voiceover option.
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Click Generate and the platform will create a talking avatar video. Tool 4. AI Voice Generator. Use the AI Voice Generator to create high-quality audio. Input your script, select a voice.
欢迎使用 Topview.ai， 终极 AI 驱动的视频编辑平台，彻底改变您制作引人入声视频的方式。无论您是市场营销人员、内容创
and enable AI pronunciation correction. Generate and download the audio for your project. Tool 5. Video Script Extractor. Select the Video Script Extractor tool. Paste the link to a video from platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Click Extract and the script will be ready for use in seconds. Topview.ai also offers viral TikTok hooks for inspiration, a library of top-performing videos to learn from and improve your content strategy. Conclusion. Topview.ai is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify content creation and supercharge your social media efforts. Whether you're crafting marketing videos, generating AI-powered voices, or turning lengthy videos into engaging shorts, this platform has you covered. Ready to get started? Check out the link in the description and sign up today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.